He will be talking on estimation of phase angle jump for different types of faults and unbalancing in distribution systems. He belongs to Benazir Bhutto Shahid University of Science and Technology and Skill Development, Khairpur, Pakistan. Please, sir. Please welcome Professor Madad.
Thank you, Dr. Heather. Just a quick introduction of our research group and myself and my university. My name is Madad, so that means help in English. So whenever you see a computer and you press F1, I'm sure you remember me, because F1 is help, and that's my name. So at the moment, I'm Vice Chancellor in the newly established University of Technology and Skill Development in Khairpur. Before I worked 10 years as a dean in Sakhar IBA, so still I'm affiliated with Sakhar IBA as well, and do collaborative research with my colleagues. Muhammad Fawad is the prime author. He used to be a student of electrical engineering, and now he has been inducted in our department as a faculty member of in electrical engineering. Me, Madad Shah, then Sunny Kathiara. He did his master's from Holland, and now he is proceeding on 21st of January to pursue his doctorate in University of Florence, that's in Italy. And of course, our senior most colleague, Dr. Bhavani Shankar Chaudhary. He just got retired and got the status of Emeritus Professor, and also one of the co-organizers of this conference. Well, my prime area of research is wireless and mobile networks, and I did my doctorate from Brunel in satellite navigation, but in combined department of